3 years ago, I bought a cheap juicer that completely ruined my morning routine. It jammed constantly, oxidized my apple juice into a brown sludge, and took 20 minutes to clean. I realized that picking the wrong juicer isn't just a waste of money, it's a waste of produce. Breville is the gold standard, but with so many models, choosing the right one is overwhelming. Today, I'm ranking the top 5 Breville juicers from worst to best based on my hands-on testing, and the number 1 spot might completely change how you juice forever. 5. Breville Juice Fountain Plus. The Breville Juice Fountain Plus was one of the first models I picked up when I started testing this lineup, and it undeniably serves as a popular entry point into the world of home juicing. Powered by an 850-watt motor, it features a dual-speed control system designed to handle hard and soft fruits differently. The 3-inch extra-wide chute is genuinely convenient, allowing you to drop whole apples and large carrots in without having to chop everything into tiny, bite-sized pieces beforehand. When I ran it on the high-speed setting, it absolutely tore through dense root vegetables like beets and ginger with impressive speed. The titanium-reinforced disc and Italian-made micro-mesh filter extract a decent amount of juice, and it comes with a dedicated 1-liter juice jug featuring a built-in froth separator. If you're someone who likes a quick glass of orange or apple juice in the morning without much fuss, this machine gets the job done quickly and fairly efficiently. However, my long-term testing revealed some frustrating limitations that you need to be aware of. Because it relies on high-speed centrifugal extraction, the friction generates noticeable heat, which leads to rapid oxidation. I found that my green juices separated incredibly fast, losing that vibrant color and crisp taste within an hour or two. Furthermore, leafy greens like spinach and kale are a nightmare for this specific model. It tends to chew them up and spit them directly into the pulp and barely juiced, which feels like a massive waste of expensive produce. The build quality also leaves something to be desired compared to Breville's premium offerings. The largely plastic construction feels a bit flimsy, and the motor runs quite loud, enough to wake up the whole house if you are an early riser. 4. Breville Juice Fountain Cold. This model attempts to solve the exact heating problem I experienced with the Juice Fountain Plus by introducing Breville's cold spin technology. According to my temperature tests, this feature actually works. By filtering the juice up and through a stainless steel mesh surrounded by an Italian-made cooling system, it ensures the temperature transfer remains practically negligible. One of the standout features I immediately appreciated during my testing was the massive 70-ounce seal and store juice jug. This is an absolute game changer if you're into batch juicing for the whole family or want to prep your beverages for the next few days. You can juice a massive volume of produce all at once, seal the lid, and keep it in the fridge for up to 3 days without severe degradation in taste or nutrient quality. The motor is also robust, maintaining that reliable 850-watt power output. Despite the impressive cold extraction marketing, I found myself getting increasingly annoyed by its actual day-to-day usability. The footprint of this machine is undeniably awkward. The pulp bin sits strangely on the side, taking up an unreasonable amount of counter space in my kitchen. While it handles hard vegetables beautifully, I was disappointed to find that it still struggles significantly with wheatgrass and kale, yielding wet pulp that proves the extraction is far from optimal for lighter greens. Another major gripe I discovered during my hands-on time is the design of the pouring spout. It has a tendency to drip heavily after you turn the machine off, leaving sticky puddles on the countertop if you don't instantly swap in another container. 3. Breville 3X Bluicer Pro. This isn't just a juicer. It is a full-blown blending and juicing hybrid designed to save space and expand your recipe book. The concept sounds gimmicky at first, but once I placed the blending jug onto the motorized base and locked it in, I quickly realized how seamlessly engineered this 2-in-1 appliance truly is. As a juicer, the 3X Bluicer Pro utilizes a wide 3.5-inch chute and cold spin technology, performing exceptionally well on everything from crisp apples to dense carrots. What I loved during testing was the sheer versatility of the variable speeds. With 5 different speed settings, I had far more control over the extraction process, allowing me to slow things down for softer fruits like berries and speed it up for harder root vegetables, resulting in a much drier pulp than the previous two models. But where this machine completely won me over is the blending functionality. I was able to extract fresh pineapple and ginger juice directly into the blender jug, drop in a banana, some ice, and a handful of spinach, and instantly transition into blending a flawless green smoothie. The Kinetics blade and bowl system pulls ingredients down perfectly, leaving no unblended chunks. It eliminates the need to dirty a separate juicer and a separate blender, streamlining my morning routine beautifully. While the Bluicer Pro is a fantastic multitasker, it isn't completely without fault. The base is quite bulky to accommodate both attachments, and you do have to find storage for whichever top you aren't currently using. Additionally, because it tries to be a master of both trades, absolute purists might argue it falls slightly short of a standalone ultra-premium juicer. 2. Breville Commercial Juice Fountain XL Pro. As the name suggests, this machine was built to withstand the rigorous demands of a professional environment, but having it on my home kitchen counter has been an absolute luxury. From the moment I unboxed it, the heavy-duty die-cast metal construction screamed durability. It feels like a tank, completely devoid of the flimsy plastic parts that often plague cheaper consumer appliances. Underneath the hood, it boasts a remarkably powerful motor paired with a massive 3.5-inch extra-wide feed chute. During my stress tests, I was dropping whole grapefruits, massive clusters of grapes, and giant handfuls of celery down the chute without a single hesitation or motor stall. The variable speed control is incredibly intuitive, allowing for precision extraction. I noticed a massive improvement in the yield of leafy greens compared to the earlier models, delivering a vibrant, rich green juice with remarkably dry pulp left behind. One of my absolute favorite features of this commercial-grade beast is the upgraded titanium-reinforced cutting disc. After weeks of heavy daily use, the blades remained razor-sharp, maintaining a consistently high juice yield without degrading. Furthermore, the noise profile is surprisingly refined. While it is certainly powerful, the heavy metal housing dampens the sound beautifully, meaning it hums with a deep, authoritative power rather than the high-pitched whine of the entry-level models. If I have to point out a slight inconvenience, it would strictly be its immense size and weight. This is not a juicer you want to be hauling in and out of cabinet every day. It demands a permanent, dedicated spot on your countertop. It also carries a premium price tag that might deter casual users. 1. Breville Juice Fountain Cold XL. After hundreds of hours of juicing everything from soft berries to rock-hard beets, this machine has proven itself to be the absolute pinnacle of home juicing technology. It strikes the perfect, flawless balance between commercial-grade power, elegant design, and user-friendly features, making it the undeniable king of the Breville lineup. The most revolutionary feature I tested on the Cold XL, and the primary reason it took the top spot, is the incredible noise reduction technology. By utilizing a brilliantly engineered 1,200-watt motor, Breville managed to include a specific quiet setting. When I ran the juicer early in the morning on this mode, it reduced the mechanical noise by a staggering 40%. I could actually hold a normal conversation while juicing whole apples, something that was entirely impossible with every other machine on this list. The extraction quality is simply unmatched. Combining the massive 3.5-inch feed chute with the elevated cold spin technology, the Cold XL forces the produce through the micromesh filter without generating any heat buildup. My test juices came out crisp, brilliantly colored, and lasted in the included 70-ounce sealing jug for days in the fridge without separating or losing flavor. The yield on difficult ingredients like ginger, turmeric, and kale was astonishingly high, leaving behind a pulp so dry it felt like sawdust. Cleaning this machine is also a surprisingly pleasant experience. The beautiful brushed stainless steel body wipes down effortlessly, and the elevated juicing nozzle prevents the dreaded countertop drips that annoyed me on earlier models. It feels like a premium appliance in every single regard.